www.newtoboss.com. My name is Ty. The video series that I'm creating right now is actually I'm starting off with a new video tutorial series with the new modem that I've got. It's a Huawei EchoLife Home Gateway HG521 modem router. If you've checked our channel already, you will be seeing in there that I've created a video tutorial series on a ZTE ZXV10W300 modem router on how you can configure that. That's the old modem that I'm using. But right now, I've had connection problems with my provider, which is Buy-in DSL, and they're actually trying to somehow say that it would probably be helpful if we're going to be changing modems. So right now, I have a new modem right here. And again, model number is HG521 Home Gateway EchoLife Huawei for the brand. Again, the old modem is ZTE, the one that we have, and we're changing that to Huawei right now. They're saying so that the build is better on this, and we're gonna be checking on that. So what I would like to help you out first with is making changes on the admin password. Log in the administration password so you can make changes with the Wi-Fi. You could log in using the username, and then make changes with filters, gateways, and probably changing your internet, like using PPPoE, DHCP, and static IP addresses. What you'd want to do first is to open up your Firefox, and from here, what you're going to type in is 192. There you go. It says it's already in there. 192.168.1.1. It should bring up this page right here. It says EchoLife Home Gateway. But if you can't see that page, what you want to do is open up your run command, type in CMD Charlie Mama Delta, and here it's going to give you a black screen. What you're going to type in there is IPconfig, IPconfig. That means Internet Protocol Configuration. Just enter that and looking for something that says IPv4 address subnet mask and default gateway. Alright, so be focused on default gateway first. It says in there 192.168.1.1, and bring up your Firefox again. Let's bring this again and try to compare. What you typed in there is 192.168.1.1, and also your default gateway is 192.168.1.1. Alright, so it should match in there. If this is 10.1, probably your modem is using a different IP address for a different region, and just type in 192.168.10.1 in here. Alright, if you can't see this, if it says in there media state, media disconnected, that means that you're having problems with your cable, your RJ45, and maybe you would need to restart your PC to refresh everything, restart your modem. Try all those and then do IPconfig again on this command screen. Then you should get to have an IP address in here. To a point that you get that, and still you're not getting any page like this, then you might want to clear the cache of your browser. That would somehow also help. Alright, so if you're successful in getting into this screen, what you just have to do for the username is admin, ADMIN, and password is Buy-in DSL. If you're in the Philippines and you're using this with Buy-in DSL, I've been like maybe 5 years with them already. Every time they issue out a new modem, the username is always admin and the password is BAYAN DSL. Alright, but also, but of course you would need to change that so you could administer that without any others accessing your router. Right? Since it's common, you always would want to change the password. Right? So again, just log in ADMIN, password, type in Buy-in DSL. Alright, but right now it's not the password that I'm using since I've changed that already. So let me log in using my own password. Just enter that, and it should give you a page like this. Try to look at it on the left side. Again, first focus on the left side. It says status basic, advanced, maintenance. So that would be four major tabs. Yeah, status, basic, advanced, maintenance. Alright, remember it's four. We're logged in right now as admin. We're on the primary access right now. Alright, remember that. We're going to log out and just log in using the username that I created. We're not going to log in as administrator, but we're going to log in as just the user. So for user, let me just type in the user that I've added in there, and password. Let me just type in password. There you go. Take a look at the left side again. Now what do you see? You only see two tabs in there. Status, maintenance. So where are the other two tabs? Right? So you can make changes on the account right here, but you can make changes on the admin account. Also, you can just see the status of your WAN, LAN, WLAN. You can just control your username and password change. But again, you are not admin right now. The reason I'm showing this to you because, as I mentioned, my old modem is a ZTE ZXP10W300. But here with a Huawei modem, I cannot make changes if I'm a user. Alright, so I was kind of confused earlier. Why can't I see all my tabs in here? So I remembered, yes, I'm logged in as a user. So if you are at the point like that, kind of confused why all the tabs in here disappeared, and you're trying to reset everything, try to log in as admin first, alright? So let me log out again. Let me log back in as admin, and there you go. So again, what we're going to make changes with is the administrator password. Alright, so go to maintenance right here on the left side. Got something that says account, device, diagnose, displaying logs. Just click on account on the left side. Got something that says username, admin, current password, new password, confirm password. For user, you would want to type in a new username in here. Alright? And for password, just type in a new password. Again, if you're trying to create a new user or make changes on the current user, just have to select the secondary. But if you are trying to make changes with the admin, username would always be admin. You're just allowed to change the password into something else. Alright, so just type in a new password in here, and next up is click on submit. Again, type in a new password, then click on submit. So let me just try that. Current password and new password. Let me type it like and click on submit. Then it's going to log you out, and this time let's try to log in again as the admin and try to input your new password, and there you go. You've successfully changed your administrative password, so no one can use that without your permission. Again, if you're here in the Philippines or whatever region that you are in, you always have to consider that when a technician comes by your house, make changes with, give you or issued out a new modem or a new router or any new device that requires username and password, you always have to change the username and password after the technician leaves. Why? Because they're using a generic password. If you're with buy in DSL, they use buy in DSL, right? Or if you're not into changing, maybe you could request them. Maybe you could help me out create my own password. But again, passwords are private. So if you share that to them or ask him to input that for you, then it's not called a private password anymore. Right? So you just have to learn this, watch this video, follow, make changes on your own, with you knowing your own password. So it's just you and yourself, nobody else. Right, so for some other video tutorials that you might want to learn about more in configuring this Huawei EchoLife Home Gateway HG521 modem router or combo modem router, you just check out the list of videos that we have. I'm going to be creating more tutorials about this, and do check out our website, www.nudaboss.com, and please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, youtube.com/nudaworks. Again, my name is Ty. I'm going to see you back in the next video. Thanks for watching.